Alright, so if your temp gauge isn't working, I can show you how to fix that pretty quick and easy on your Hummer H2. Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we are working on the Hummer H2. It's a 2004, and we are replacing the temperature sensor. So if your temperature gauge inside your vehicle has stopped working, this is a sensor you're going to replace. Also, make sure you have a 19mm socket because it is rather large compared to most components. So let's put this over here on the side. And a couple things to get to it easier. It's obviously down here, out of the way. We're going to remove this, and then it's going to be down there on top of the motor. You can kind of like see it right through here. So we're going to remove these two bolts. They're 10mm. So let's get that going. Alright, so we got those two bolts out of the way, and you can kind of get in there a little bit better. Ideally, you want to remove this too to kind of give us a little more slack off the alternator. So, also a 10mm. And move my camera kind of out of the way. Just using that to kind of help with the camera views. This does have a washer on it, so we don't want to lose that. So put that there, and that comes off, and that gives us a lot more clearance. And then you have this little snap fitting on top, and that will release that nice and easy. And it is a very high temperature area. I'm surprised they actually put that there, but that's okay. And we'll put that 10mm there. Then we'll get down there with this socket and put it right over there. And it's probably super tight in there. Actually, that wasn't bad at all. Let me see if I can't get that by hand. Nope, not quite. Let's see if that got enough. So you're going to have some coolant back behind there. So you obviously want to just compare it really quick and then put this back in. And obviously ahead of time, make sure that you have a coolant pan underneath to catch any of the excess. Actually, there's a little bit more than I expected to have in there, but that's okay. Now we'll just let's put that there, and that should probably be good. I think we'll give it one more little torque. Okay, I think we should be good. Now we're going to connect this back on there. That's in place. Now we can put this alternator fitting back on. That was worth a... So 10 mil. down. I'll put that back on the firewall. Okay, this job is done. Let's start it up, bring it for a ride, and see how it operates. Stay tuned. Okay, so now we got a good reading on the temp gauge, so you can tell that's working properly. So yeah, all fixed. Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.